another video on the channel. Today we're going to be fixing something that's been bothering me since middle of summer or so, and it's going to be the side mirror caps. As I'm sure some of you have noticed, there's some issues with my current mirror cap, and it is that this carbon fiber has just kind of started. It's not actually carbon fiber, you can see it's just a film. So as it was fake, it was just a plastic with the carbon fiber film. So we're going to be replacing that with this. A real piece of carbon fiber. This is a lot more sturdy. Still got it from eBay, but I think this is going to hold up a lot better. And yeah, it doesn't seem like it's just like a cheap film of carbon fiber. It does have a film of plastic, but I think that it should be a lot better than what we've got over here. Also, the reason this happened, I believe, is that the car did not have a garage most of the summer as I worked from home. Didn't have a garage like I did normally at work. So I think that was the cause for that. But we recently upgraded and now have a garage, which is awesome. So I'm hoping that having this should hold up pretty good. At least I hope it should hold up a little bit better. Okay, so first things first, we have to take off the existing mirror caps. So there comes the stressful part, is just making sure you don't break the mirror glass, as you kind of have to lift it up a little bit to get to the inside so that you can release the little clips that free up this. So the way that those clips look, as you can see here, there's one set of clips here, one here, and one here, and they just kind of go in. The tricky part is taking that off without breaking them, because they're not really easy to push in. So yeah, what we're going to be doing is we're going to use just a microfiber cloth and a trim tool, and we're gonna just slowly go in. There's a few little sections that they just kind of pop up in, and yeah, so we're gonna get started. Just have to be careful to wait for it to just kind of click out, and take your time. If you try to do it too quickly, it won't work. So as you can see, we have a clip right here. We have another clip right here, and we have one more up here. We're going to release those, and this will just kind of pop out. Here we can actually see the differences. This is just very cheap plastic, and with this you can tell it's much sturdier. Yeah, so pretty confident this is going to hold up a lot better. Yeah, so this should be pretty straightforward, and just a matter of kind of pushing in together and making sure everything is aligned. So just like so. You can see in here there's going to be these clips that kind of push through. Also, you have these right here, and these also have to snap around this. One to go through this, and one to snap around this, and those are all right there. So that's the part that I'm not trying to do. There we go. Looks so good. Awesome. All right. All that is left now is just to put this mirror back in. Just gonna put it together and all set. This fitment is actually also pretty good. And something that bothered me about those cheap ones was that there was always this little circle right here. This one doesn't have that. It always bothered me because I could see it. So right there, that circle. Always bothered me. Hated seeing it, but I could always see it. Alright, and with this you just kind of have to press firmly but evenly. You don't want to just push on one side over the other because then you can crack the glass. And no one wants that. Oh man, that looks so good. Nice. Alright, we're gonna do the other side and then all set. Alright, it's all done. Everything works. It looks amazing, brand new. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, and just like that, another mod complete. That's it guys, just a quick video today. This was bothering me for a long time and I finally decided I'm gonna replace it. So I think this is the first mod that I upgraded. So it's kind of cool. It's the first mod that finally reached the end of its life and it was time for it to be upgraded. So yeah, this is it's pretty simple. The only stressful part is just making sure you don't crack your mirror. I've seen a lot of videos out there where that has happened, but yeah, I'm happy to report no mirrors were broken in the making of this video. Anyway guys, if you have any questions about how to do that or any, even though it's pretty self-explanatory, just throw it down in the comment section below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.